After 3 consecutive weeks of price drop, XRP is stabilizing at the orange key level of 1.8. It's time to take a look through the Wyckoff lens and see what are the whales doing. If you're new to my sessions, I'll cover the Wyckoff stage, the trend change risk, as well as key price levels. And these are education content, not financial advice. The weekly chart of XRP is showing us that it's still basically range bound between the $1.8 orange key level as well as the 2.05 yellow key level. Last session, I shared that there are 2 possible scenarios that's playing out. The very first one is that XRP is still within the accumulation cycle. You see all these blue stages, all right? The other scenario is that it started accumulation at a much higher level than it was before 2025, all right? That's 2024. So one reason to explain that is that the legal battle is finally over, and that people are thinking with all the development plus the clarity, XRP should be valued at a much higher price. That's why it's setting a new bottom. Okay, let's assume that theory holds. If not, if you don't believe that's the case, if you don't believe XRP is going to be one of the major players of the payments world, then there is a chance that it's going to come down to accumulate at a lower level. It may not go as low as the previous period back in 2024, which I've already explained the reason, whether you agree or not. If it comes down, there may be a chance that it comes to this white dash line. Currently, it's roughly around $1 to $1.10, depending on when it comes down. Reason being October 10th, the tariff announcement date. You see this long wick coming to the bottom, right? If people really believe what I mentioned about, the legal battle with SEC is over, that XRP is being adopted or is going to be one of the major players in global payment infrastructure, that news is already known and digested during the 4th quarter of 2025. It shouldn't have reacted in such a way. It should have stopped somewhere above. Okay, so that's one of the arguments we can take reference if you believe XRP is going to come down to a lower level to accumulate. Okay, so this is XRP is at the point that it's about to decide where it's going to head next. If we go to the daily, let's take a look whether we have additional hits. So this box, I don't know why my charts are all skewed all of a sudden. Now I know why. Because it should be like this. So here, it's still within the downtrend, basically. The downtrend started way before the October 10th tariff announcement day. It started back in late July last year. Currently, it's still within the downward channel. But the good thing is that it's basically still trading at the stronger half of the channel. So January 31st, the dates that I said is the first chance for the price to break outside of this downward channel and confirm that it is going to be a sideways trend instead of a downtrend. But we have only about 4 days to have this confirmed. The bulls have to get very positive news to push the price to break the ceiling of the downtrend. Even the 20th of February is becoming a stretch now, given the price is suppressed underneath the 2.05 yellow key level, right? There is a chance we really have to wait till the end of March for that to happen. So for XRP, that's the picture for now. If you're interested to get access to these sessions 2 days earlier than the others, it's time to join the channel membership now. See you in the next session.